Hi everyone, welcome to another episode here at NoriegaRekos. Today we'll unbox something that we received during our sales conference last week. This is something that has started to go into more and more homes as people transition to creating more smart homes. What I'm talking about is a smart speaker. And today I'm going to unbox the Amazon Echo Dot third generation. And I'll compare it with the Amazon Echo Dot second gen that we've had previously already. If you're thinking about creating a smart home, then this is an entry-level smart speaker that you can use to start off your smart home experience. So check this video out. So let's open the box. So here's a speaker. It's color black. We also get the warranty and things that we can try. It also comes with its own charger. So it's not a USB port charger, and it comes with a wall charger as well. So here's a speaker. It's actually bigger than I thought. And comparing it with the Amazon Echo Dot second generation, you can see that the third generation is actually much bigger. So hopefully this gives you a better sound quality when you're playing your music, you're listening to YouTube. So if you look at the top of the smart speaker, you'll see the mute button, the volume down and volume up, and the activity ring. So what can you do with a smart speaker? You can listen to, if you have subscription to Amazon Music or Apple Music, and even connect it to your Spotify account. Alexa, play Spotify.
Here's Spotify. I'm feeling all alone. I've been praying to 1,000 different stars, to 1,000 different loves.
You can also use this to turn on and turn off your lights if you have a smart light in your home. Alexa, turn on second light. You can also control a smart vacuum if you have one to make it clean the house just using your voice. In the States, you can actually use this to shop at Amazon by asking it to add items to your shopping list. You can also connect this to another speaker if you have a connector where you can use the cable to connect them or connect them via Bluetooth. You'll need to create an Amazon account and download an Alexa app so that you can set up the Echo Dot.
Hello. Your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app. Your Echo is ready.
So that's it. So if you want to try out smart speaker try to set up your own smart home, this is a very affordable way to start off and check it out to see if it's for you. So if you're really into creating your own smart home, I'd suggest you look into the Amazon Echo Plus since it also acts as a bridge to the smart lights that you will purchase. So you don't have to purchase a separate bridge for your smart lights. So comment below if you're interested in buying your own Amazon Echo Dot and let me know what your experience is with the smart speaker in the comment section below. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you'll be updated in our future videos. Thank you for watching and have a great day.